Hi everyone, welcome to TamsArtz, a YouTube channel where exploration meets creativity. I am a research scientist by training and a lifelong explorer at heart. Here at TamsArtz, I share my passion for travel, art, science, and all things DIY. Travel and exploration. Join me in my breathtaking journeys from iconic architecture to hidden gems around the world. Art and DIY. Are you looking for inspiration? Watch me turning simple ideas into amazing creations. Science and technology. For your curious mind, I will explore the latest news in the areas of science and technology and bring informative and thought provoking content in a very easy and short formats. TamsArtz is more than just a YouTube channel. It's a space to inspire, create, and connect. Whether you are a travel enthusiast or an art lover or someone who enjoys learning new things, there is something here for you. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, join the journey, and explore life's most colorful stories together.